Blue-ringed octopus attacks divers. Hammerhead shark versus tiger shark. Can a jellyfish kill you? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna take a look at the 5 most aggressive animals in the sea. Join me as I dive into the ocean to find out if I can get up close and personal with some of the most deadliest sea creatures on the planet. As you all know, there are many dangerous animals that live in the ocean. In fact, it's estimated that there are over 230,000 marine species living in the ocean today. But humans don't really have much to worry about since 99% of those species are harmless. Still, there is a select few that can pose a threat to our lives. Even though these creatures can be very deadly, they still play a vital role in the ecosystem. So, without further ado, let's just get right into it. Number 5. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is one of the most venomous creatures in the world. These small creatures are found throughout the Pacific Ocean, where they spend their time hiding among rocks, seaweed, and coral reefs. They are only 2 inches long and are known to be one of the most aggressive animals in the sea. The blue-ringed octopus is responsible for many attacks on humans every year. And even though they are so small, they pack a punch. Their venom is extremely potent and can cause paralysis, leading to drowning or death by cardiac arrest. If this happens, there is no anti-venom available. It is believed that the reason why they are so aggressive is because they feel threatened easily, which is understandable since they are so small and vulnerable. However, sometimes they can be provoked into attacking divers or trying to interact with them. Blue-ringed octopus venom expert says, since the 1960s, there has been an average of 17 attacks per year, with 40% of them being fatal. This may not sound like many, but considering the fact that they are so small and not very noticeable makes them extra dangerous. That's why it's always important to be careful when exploring the ocean and to never provoke a wild animal. You never know what kind of venom they might have or how strong it is. Number 4. Box jellyfish. There are hundreds of different types of jellyfish in the ocean, but the box jellyfish is one of the most dangerous. These jellyfish are known to be highly aggressive and their sting can be fatal. They have a unique box-shaped bell and their tentacles can grow up to 10 feet long. When they sense danger, they can actually turn their stinging cells outwards, increasing their surface area and making them even more deadly. The box jellyfish is found in coastal waters around Australia and other parts of the Indo-Pacific region. These animals typically live in areas close to shore where they feed on plankton and other small fish. But during certain times of the year, they can migrate further offshore in search of food. During these migrations, they often come into contact with swimmers and divers who are in for a nasty surprise. Their sting is extremely painful and can cause paralysis, leading to death within minutes. One of the worst parts about being stung by a box jellyfish is that their sting cells can remain active on your skin for days, meaning that you lines be in constant pain and at risk of further injury if you go back into the water. If you ever encounter a box jellyfish, it's important to act fast. You should immediately pluck the tentacles off with tweezers or a credit card and then vinegar to stop the stinging. Then you can rinse the area with seawater and apply a hot compress. If possible, you should also seek medical attention right away. With quick treatment, you can make a full recovery. But it's important to act fast and not waste any time. Number 3. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is one of the largest reptiles in the world. They are found in brackish waters in India, Southeast Asia, and Northern Australia. They are known to be highly aggressive and territorial, attacking anything that enters their space. Saltwater crocodiles are opportunistic hunters, feeding on a variety of prey, including fish, birds, mammals, and even other reptiles. They are especially drawn to areas where prey is abundant, such as river deltas and mangrove swamps. Unfortunately, humans are sometimes mistaken for their prey and attacked. When a saltwater crocodile attacks, they use their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to grab onto their victim and drag them into the water. Once in the water, they use their strong tails to keep themselves upright and thrash around until their victim is dead. Then they eat their prey whole. In order to avoid an attack from a saltwater crocodile, it's important to be aware of your surroundings. If you're swimming in a river or lake, be sure to stay close to shore and avoid going in too deep. Also, never swim at night or in murky water, as this makes it easier for crocodiles to ambush their prey. Finally, if you do see a crocodile, don't try to swim away. Instead, try to stay calm and exit the water slowly. If the crocodile becomes aggressive, you should fight back by aiming for the eyes and snout. Number 2, tiger shark. As you probably already know, sharks are some of the most feared animals in the ocean. And for good reason. Sharks are responsible for a number of attacks on humans each year, but some species are more aggressive than others. One of the most aggressive species of shark is the tiger shark. Tiger sharks are large, powerful predators that are found in coastal waters around the world. They are known for their insatiable appetite and will eat almost anything that enters their space. Tiger sharks are responsible for a number of attacks on humans each year, and they are one of the few shark species that are known to actively hunt humans. Tiger sharks are attracted to blood and will often target swimmers and divers who are bleeding. They are also known to be particularly aggressive towards surfers. So, if you do decide to go surfing, be sure to take all necessary precautions. When you're in the water, be aware of your surroundings and don't stay in the water for too long. If you see a shark, don't panic, but try to get out of the water as quickly and calmly as possible. By following these tips, you can help protect yourself from a tiger shark attack. Number 1, hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark is truly a sight to behold. With its unique hammer-shaped head, it's one of the most recognizable creatures in the ocean. But don't be fooled by its odd appearance. This shark is a vicious predator and it's not afraid to attack. The name itself comes from the shape of its head, which is actually an extension of its skull. This gives it a wide field of view, making it much easier to spot potential prey. It also has electroreceptive cells called ampulla of Lorenzini, which allows it to detect the electrical fields produced by other animals. This gives it a major advantage when hunting, as it can locate its prey even before they see it. Hammerhead sharks are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystem. This means that they don't have to worry about being hunted by anything else. They are free to roam the oceans and hunt whatever they want. This could explain their aggressive nature, since they don't have to worry about being attacked themselves. They can attack anyone they want without any fear. The good news is that hammerhead shark attacks on humans are rare. However, if you do encounter one, you should act fast. The best way to defend yourself against a hammerhead shark is to make yourself look big and scary. Try to make yourself as tall as possible and wave your arms around to scare the shark away. If that doesn't work, you can try to hit the shark in the nose or eye with a closed fist. This may not stop the shark, but it could buy you enough time to get away. Ultimately, your best bet is to just get out of the water as fast as possible. The deeper the water, the better. Once you're far away from the shark, you can relax and enjoy the rest of your swim. Just be sure to keep an eye out for any other sharks in the area. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching. See you next time.